Just my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Hello, my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall kind to animals, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness.
Give a big round of applause.
My name is Asifa. I am studying a first year.
ಓಕೆನಾ?